Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to hydrate and moisturize my face and prime my face as well. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching my videos. God bless you. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm using a darker concealer to contour my nose, to smash the nose. I'm using a brush to blend the concealer well. Then I'm using the beauty blender I use for my foundation to blend it very well so that there won't be any harsh lines. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Pressed powder for the highlights. Set the highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlights and bake as well. Bake, 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 bake. Bake, bake. Bake, 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 bake. Bake, bake, bake. Bake, 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 bake. Bake, 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 bake. Next, I'm using a brush to clean my nose, contour, clean the powder from the contour to define the contour more. I'm leaving the under eye powder for my eyes so that when I'm doing my eyes, all the fallout from the eyeshadow will be on top of the powder and not on my skin. That is why I'm leaving the under eye powder. For the eyeshadow fallouts, defining that chic contour. Next is brows. Brows time. Brow time. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows, to define the brows more. And I'm using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Concealer as eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown, orangey brown shade for my crease as my transition color. Orangey brown. As my transition color for the crease, all over the crease. Crease. Next, I'm using a brown, a dark brown for my outer crease, and I'm bringing it in a little bit to the center of my crease. Just to darken the outer crease more. Next is lid. I'm using this light gold shade for my lid. I was using the brush, but it was not coming out the way I wanted, so I'm using my hand, which is better. A light gold shade. A light gold. Is it gold or champagne? Light champagne. Champagne golden shade for my eyelid. Next, I'm blending the crease to make sure there is no harsh line on my crease. I'm blending the crease. Next, I'm using a NYX Zumbo pencil, a NYX Milk Zumbo pencil for my waterline. Then I changed to a black because I was not feeling the whites, and I changed to black for my waterline and my lower lash line. Then I'm using that brown shade I use for my outer crease for my lower crease. A brown eyeshadow shade I use for my outer crease. Next, I'm lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner with a little wing. Liquid eyeliner with a little wing. Next is mascara for the eyes. Next, I'm wearing my lashes. I'm using my hand to wear my lashes. I'm using my hand to wear my lashes because I can't find my tweezers. Next time, I'm adding more eyeshadow for my lower lash line. I'm mixing the brown and that first orangey brown shade that I use for my crease. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend my face, to smoothen the face, blend everything together. Next is blush. Blush up the cheek. I'm using this blush palette from Tyra Makeup to blush up my cheek, giving the face a little color, adding a little color to the face. Next is highlighter. I'm using this Maybelline highlighter for my face, to highlight my face. Next is a little mascara for the lower lash line. A little mascara. Next is lips. I'm using 2 lip stain on my lips. First, I'm using a dark purpley shade to line my lips. Then I'm using a red shade for my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you. Please don't forget to support me, show me love, subscribe to my channel, subscribe, support me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.